Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell about Steve Learning Curve to create custom at Blender. This one LTS 4.30 version is the latest version and visit the full mode in EVV mode. Visit here, but in this there's no bloom. The bloom feature is not like that. The blender that can make objects glow because after it's no bloom feature, the blender could make it glow. With the sun, earth, and moon at the blender. Painting. Sun parenting. Moon is evolving from the sun instead of Earth. But Earth should evolve at the sun, not the moon. If it's parenting in the wrong way, the right we have this one still learning now how to create the object animating the sun, earth and moon. When I parent earth to the moon, it go.
Buttons by which you can jump to the first frame. By this button you can jump to the next frame like this. Okay, this is for the previous frame, this is for the next frame, and this is to play, and this is to play in reverse. Alright, so these are the buttons where you want to slider and from where you want to start your animation and then now start and end the animation at the piece. Okay, we need to select the particular object. In the solar system, the sun is a stationary object, but earth revolves around it and revolves around the earth. So I need to select the object which I want to animate, and by default I should start from the first frame, okay, because this is the ideal choice. If let's say I want to run my animation in the loop, which I'm going to show you for the earth. So I mean, when the slider will come to 2 again it will come back to 1 and it will start animating again and it will take the loop. So ideal choice to start start the first frame. So I'm going to do the same, and at the key I will be showing the flow method. First of all, let's open the transform tab over here. Take the earth. What I need to do is I need to rotate the earth around. Revolve the earth sun. Now let's understand one thing first. So the animation is going to be as if I tie the earth with the sun and then give it the rotation animation. So it will look like as if it is just a second. So if I tie the earth to the sun, it will look like as if it is revolving around the sun when I give the rotation animation. For that, let's see what technique we have here. Actually, we have an option which is called creating a child-parent connection. Okay, if I make a child of the sun, so wherever sun goes, Earth will follow. But there is a catch. That sun is a stationary object. So even if I try to revolve the sun like
It is rotated following
this, so it will become an animation for the sun itself, which is not good. So what I need to do here, I need to add a reference object here, which will work as a sun, but which should not be visible to us. Second of all, which should not affect the stationary placement of the sun. Let's see what we need to do over here for that solution. I'll come to the add menu over here, and there I will be going to empty, and into the empty I have so many options, out of which I will be picking sphere.
animation.
Here we go. Sphere object, an empty sphere object has been added. Let's scale it up a bit, and this is how a sphere empty object. Look like. Now what I'm going to do here is that instead of sun, I will be making Earth a child of this empty object. The empty object will not come into the render, so it will give us an illusion as if Earth is revolving into the sun. Let's see how to create the child and parent connection first, and then I will be jumping to the animation quickly. So, to create the child and parent animation, you need to first select the child. With shift key, you need to select the parent. This is very important. First, we need to select the child, and with the shift, we need to select the parent. Next, then we need to go to the object menu, and here we have an option called parent.
This is open to Blender World. Now,
the object over here, and you can see that there is a dotted line transforming the connection has been developed. If I rotate it a bit, this dotted line transforms to the connection, and obviously Earth is following.
this is exactly right. Instead of Earth, moon is revolving around the sun. It sucks because this moon is revolving the sun instead of revolving. Intermediate. They're not expert of code. They're not because she's struggling to parent objects.
I'm going to rotate like this, and Earth will revolve around the sun. Okay, because this empty object will not come into the render, so it will give us an illusion as if Earth is revolving around the sun. Let's see how to create the child and parent connection first, and then I will jump into the animation quickly. So, to create the child and parent animation, you need to first select the child, shift key, you need to select the parents. This is very important. First, we need to select the child, and to the shift, we need to select the parent. Next, then we need to go to the object menu, and here we have an option called parent.
This or this one, but it is exactly right. This is 4.23 Blender version.
The object over here confirming that connection has been developed. If I rotate, you can see that there is a dotted line. Rotate it a bit. This dotted following.
It is exactly right.
Obviously, Earth is following.
Instead of the script will be fail or even high-end hardware. I show that the mission and just messed. It is messed up just basic straight alone complex topics. But this is the only thing going to make it inconsistent. The upload set because of steep learning curve with Blender. I try to use even more specs than this or to use good. This moon is for the sun instead of falling. GPT and black and it did not work. Gosh, because the scripting of ChatGPT and the render version frequent and all other factors are there. And when I make the animation, at the last video I showed the animation and it is messed up this straight alone complex topics. But this is the only thing going to make it inconsistent. The upload set because of steep learning curve with Blender. I try to use GPT and black and it did not work. Gosh, because the scripting of ChatGPT and the render version frequent and all other factors are there. And it will not work. It will be using the script will be fail or even high-end hardware. Even more specs than this or to use for if you are providing system it messed up with this Blender. Instead of Earth revolving, moon is revolving. When I make Earth animation, at the last video I showed the Earth animation and it is Blender version and but or there might be bug if the Blender it will not work. It is messed up just basic straight alone. The Blender or Blender all this and how to make this and in exactly in this first complex topics and different slightly outdated version or Blender. They might have Blender 2.8 or 3.5 or 3. Yeah, not even exactly that simple. All these tutorials are guiding, but these tutorials guide only basic topics. They don't guide complex topics, and even in basic topics, they don't exactly guide. When I see at the tutorials,